Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. This is Dylan with Tucson Future Classics, and that is our 2004 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to take you all on a bit of a walking history lesson and story time on this car because we actually know the full backstory on this, which is pretty unique. We got this as a trade-in from the first owner who bought it new here in Tucson at Precision Toyota in 2004. They traded it in for an EV when, after 21 years, I guess they were ready to step up to a new commuter. Quick update from the editing dungeon. I was wrong when I said the customer traded in that Corolla on an EV. The story's cooler than that. She traded it in on a 2008 Toyota Matrix with 70,000 miles. The Toyota Matrix is on the same platform as that very Corolla. That platform was so loyal to her for 20 years. When she finally upgraded so she had more space to run a small business, she went with the same platform, just in a different form factor, which I think is pretty cool. But this being a lifelong Southern Arizona car, it has got the fading on the paint and the clear coat separation that almost all of these have. Walk up and show you here. You can see where this is still paint, but this is still the clear coat. You can see the separation line there, all down the trunk, and it's all up the roof. But nothing really that bad. I mean, it's not going to be the prettiest thing in the world, but in the year of our Lord 2025, is a 2004 Corolla really going to be? No. What it's going to be is absolutely reliable. And to back that up, when we get inside the car, have I got something cool to show you all. Other than out here, fresh silent tires, that clear coat fading up top, but the surprise inside are the maintenance records. The original owner of this vehicle kept meticulous records. There's a binder, I'll show you, it's probably 3 inches thick, of periodic maintenance receipts and records of this being worked on its whole life, ever since it was out of warranty at Toyota in 2007. So we got a little mark there, some scratches on the driver's side rear door from probably an excited dog's claws, another little mark there. But again, exterior wise, it is and the car. Paint's not bad, no rust, no real body damage other than that clear coat fading. Show you a little dink here on the hood, and I'll pan up over the windshield, and hopefully you can see that's not just dappling from the shade. That is a clear coat fading. But again, that's not this car's strong suit. The strong suit is the mechanicals and the maintenance record. So let me get into the good stuff. Up here under the hood is the 1.8 liter 4-valve 4-cylinder engine that Toyota's used in almost all of their cars of this period. Makes about 130 horsepower, and it just is, again, completely stalwart. This one is a particularly good example. I'll walk you through here. Power steering lines, pressure belt, no real leaks, no issues up under here. Fresh battery. You can hear the fan and the air conditioning cycling. Airbox, cruise control module, and just stout, reliable little motor. Coming back around to the back here, show you one of my favorite things that Toyota of this era, and I think even still today, you can get as an option on almost any of their sedans. You lift this trunk floor up, there you go. That's no donut. That is a full-size spare tire. So if you lost a tire on the drive somewhere, you can actually get all the way to where you want to go without having to rush to a tire shop to get off of the donut. Also in the back here, you've got the cable release for the back seats. So those do fold completely flat. All right, climbing inside, fire it up for you right quick. Barks right off, yells at me because my seatbelt isn't on, but that's okay. 127,000 miles on this one. And this being an LE, like I said, you've got your electric windows, electric mirrors, electric door locks, cruise control. So as far as Corollas go, this is pretty well sorted. It even has the outside air temperature gauge right above the odometer there. Moving over, AM, FM, CD, cassette, radio, so you can play any form of media that you want, so long as it is pre-2007. You can need a Bluetooth adapter if you want to stream music nowadays, but hey, still works great. Down here, your AC controls, the simple 3 knobs. Where you want it, how hard you want it, and how hot you want it. Can't go wrong. It's a 4-speed automatic transmission. Manual parking brake. Got your 2 cup holders. Bottom storage with additional outlet in it. Flip that down, flip this up. Top storage. Glove box. Standard glove box with one cool thing. That is the original Toyota booklet with the original stock number from Precision Toyota. So that has all the original purchase documentation and all of the manuals. And I'll get to this guy in just a second. But moving around, you can see pretty standard, very clean interior though. Mirrors, map pocket, vanity mirror, map pocket, and your map lights are up underneath and integrated into your rearview mirror on these. And then I'll shut that right quick, and let's focus on the truly good part. These are the original owner's maintenance records going all the way back to 2007 there, because that was when the warranty on this 04 expired. So as soon as they started doing work for themselves or having work done, they got receipts for everything. And we can walk all the way forward. Oil changes, tire rotations, brakes, recall repairs. We never see maintenance records this complete and this well kept on a vehicle. That's why we love getting stuff from, original owners. And the fact that they ran this for 21 years before deciding to trade this into us and step up to an EV for commuting duty is, I think, pretty cool. And even there, very last one from Big O. That's August 12th of this year. That's not even 2 months before they traded into us. So when I say we've got complete records, we've got complete records. There's those back seats. It's just a standard bench across the back. No armrest, but no rips, no tears, no burn holes. And they do fold completely flat to open up a pass-through to the trunk if you got some really big stuff. I'm not often at a loss for words or low on things to say, but what else can I say? It's a well-maintained Corolla. It just works. Get out of the yard here quick. We'll shoot across the road. I'll talk quiet so you can hear the car doing everything that it's going to do. Hear the road noise, hear the engine, hear the transmission, that kind of stuff. Hopefully our little mount stays steady. But we'll shoot across in a little neighborhood, spin you around a roundabout, do a quick acceleration up to 30, hard braking, show you that it doesn't shudder or pull or anything like that. And then we'll pop right back. So give me just a second. We'll sneak on through here as soon as traffic is clear. And yeah, show you all what's what. Speed bump here. As soon as they clear that, stand on it, let you hear it go through the gears. So again, 1.8 liter 4-cylinder, 130 horsepower, get you high 20s to mid 30s fuel economy. Won't win any races, but much like the tortoise and the hare, it'll always make it to the end of the race. So spin around here quick, and I'm just gonna get us up to 30, and then brakes hard. Boom. No pull, no shudder, no suspension hop. Everything is pretty dialed in on this little guy. Keeping this short and sweet because, again, it's a Corolla. There's not all that much to remark on other than just how quietly good it is. I mean, the AC is ice cold in this. Idles smooth, pulls good, stops good. No real rattles or clunks or anything you'd expect to see from a 21-year-old, 127,000 mile commuter car. But again, it's all in that little blue book. The previous owner really cared about this car, and you can tell. One more. Hear it do its thing. It's just good. It's just a good little car. Figure I'll treat you all to one last walk around of this car while I knock out the outro and hit you with the good old YouTube call to action. So, we are Tucson Future Classics. This car is available with a full listing, a suite of pictures, full write-up, Carfax history report, everything on TucsonFutureClassics.com. We're also on Facebook. We're on Instagram, and you can reach out to us any of those ways. We're an appointment-only dealer, so when you're ready to come see this thing, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, Instagram, Facebook Messenger. If you message us, we'll see it, and then we'll see you. But hopefully I've been able to give you every piece of information you could ever want or need to make an informed decision on this car. So with that, I've been Dylan. We'll see you soon.